So I got up this morning, came out to the car because I was going to switch the wheel over, and the back wheel was punctured or flat, so I've took it off, and obviously this is the brake drum. So I wanted to quickly show you that the brake drum is in that condition. I'm about to go over it all with the drill, and I'm going to do a quick like before and after, and then put on the spare wheel here because that one's gone flat, and hopefully there's a big improvement in this. So I'm going to do a before and after. So I'm going to go over the drill over the whole lot, hit it with some brake cleaner, then go over it again with the drill quickly, and then I'll show you what the end result is. And this is what it's looking like after the brake cleaner. So I've got to go over it quickly again with the drill, and then I'm gonna show you again. And that's where I got to. Got to put the wheel on. Obviously it started raining, but it's a nice before and after.